Hello everybody and welcome to Wixpa Google Shopping Feed. In this video, we are going to discuss how to create promotions. So let's get started. For adding promotions, you have to click on create promotion and here you have to select the target country where you want to offer the promotion. Right now I'm going with United States. And then you have to select the promotion category, like for example I'm going with % off, and then you have to select the promotion type. I'm providing 20% discount, and then you have to provide a title for your discount. And then promotion ID. After that you have to write a discount code. You can also opt for no code, it's up to you. After that you have all products and specific products option. You can either select specific products to apply your discount code, or you also have the option to select all products. And then you have to provide the start and end date of your promotion. So finally you can see our promotion has been created, and this is our promotion ID. I'm copying it. And then you can see promotion status is empty, but you don't need to worry as it takes 24 hours to appear here. Now let's paste the promotion ID into those products in which we want to show discounts. So I'm clicking on view. And then you also have the option to select all products and apply discount codes on all of them. So I'm clicking on edit. Here I'm pasting the promotion ID and then clicking on save. Now let's move to Google Merchant Center and open the same product there. Reload the page, scroll down, and you can see our promotion ID is now showing here. So this is how you can create promotions. Stay tuned with us for more information. Don't forget to share your feedback with us regarding our app Wixpa Google Shopping Feed, and thank you for watching this video.